wanted you for life, you and me in the wind. And never thought there's a kind of time that our story will end. It's hard to understand, but I guess I'll have to try. It's not easy to say goodbye. For all the joy we shared, all the time we had to spend. Now if I had one wish, I'd want forever back again. To look into your eyes and hold you when you cry. It's not easy to say goodbye. I can remember all those good times we had. There were so many memories, some good, some bad. Yes, and through it all, these memories will last forever. There's peace in where you are, maybe all I need to know. And if I listen to my heart, I'll hear you louder once more. And so I got to say, I'm just glad you came my way. It's not easy to say goodbye.